Alright, solve the following quadratic equations. They've been really nice with the first one. They've already factorised it, so straight into your null factor law. Either the first factor needs to equal 0, so p plus 5 equals 0, or the second factor, p minus 1 equals 0, because the only way we can have numbers multiplying to equal 0 is if one of them's 0. Subtract 5 from each side, and I've got p equals negative 5, or add 1 to each side for the second equation there, p equals 1. Nice and easy. Next one here, there's an easy way to do it, and you'll probably get it wrong, or there's a way where you think a little bit harder and you make sure you get it right. Let's see what I see almost every student do. So our first thing here is we divide each side by 2. Everyone's happily going along here, and I end up with x squared equals 7, and then everyone says, well, the opposite of squaring is to square root. X equals root 7. And they stop there. What have they missed? Some of you, because I've talked about it, have now twigged that I need to have positive or negative root 7 in there as a solution. Yes, the square root of a number is positive. When you're solving an equation, you've got to remember to take either the positive or negative square root. How do I avoid this for all polynomial equations that I'm ever going to have to solve, which is quite a few between now and the end of year 12? Here's the slightly longer but preferred working to make sure you don't make any mistakes. Still divide by 2 first. That's great. When you've got a polynomial, the way to solve it is to set it equal to 0 and factorise. This one's going to factorise nicely because it's my difference of 2 squares. X plus root 7, x minus root 7 equals 0. From the first bracket, if x plus root 7 equals 0, you can get x equals negative root 7. Or from the second bracket, if x minus root 7 equals 0, x would of course equal root 7. And by remembering to always set a polynomial equal to 0, you're never going to run into this mistake of forgetting to take the positive and negative square root. I can only encourage you, you're the ones who are going to have to make the decision to do it this way and get it right. Up to you.